Back working on the C10. Gotta get the heater box put in there. Get some heat in this bad boy. Let's see how she fires up. Ain't cranked in the day or two. Oh. Yes, sir. Oil pressure. Got volts. We're getting there. What you think about that, Trump dog? Trump, what are you doing? Huh? What is this man doing? Get a healer, they say. Got everything laid out on the ground. What I have to get put into the truck. All the duct work for the vents and all. Heater box, new heater core. Got nothing. There ain't nothing at all on it, but we're getting it. Out with the old, in with the new. Got the new heater core put in there and all bolted back together. It's good to go. Now just time to get it stuck up under the dash and get her stuck in there. I'm under there wondering what in the hell is going on here. There was nothing there, so I didn't have anything to look at pulling it out. So I didn't know which way the vacuum lines need to run, which way it needs to be routed. A little bit of trial and error putting it in, taking it out, but getting it figured out. Nothing to it but to do it. And after a few times of taking it in and out, it's in there. All the vacuum lines are ran. Just time to get the vents put on there. All the duct work ran to the vents. Get all the vents hooked up. Once I had the new heater core and the heater box put on, I had to go around to the outside and put this in there. Get it all cleaned up. Get some RTV. Get it stuck on there. Parts are gone. Oh, gotta get the valve cover stuck on there for them. Got one or two more pieces to put in there, but all the vents are good. We're getting there. He's a smart man. He's gonna sell the Ford to drive the old Chevy. We are chipping away at it. Got it all on there and bolted up. We're getting there, boys. Yes, sir. Oh, we get a new blower motor. There's a new heater core in there. Should have got me to paint that. Looks like Flex Seal. Someone sprayed all over that. Anyways, got that breather cover. I spread some silicone on here. I'm gonna turn them upside down, let it sit. Got this one ready. We're getting there, boys. Got the new fan motor in there. Now it's about to see. It's the moment of truth. Does it work? Nope. Oh, it's not on. Oh, it's working, boys. We got vents. It's blowing strong. We got vents and it's blowing strong. All of them are working. Blowing some leaves through there. Back doing some more work on the C10. Out with these old valve covers and in with the new. Yes, sir. So when doing these valve covers, he wanted me to put these on there. The studs, you gotta replace them because the new ones are a lot longer. It's a lot thicker right here compared to right there. Place these studs. While I was here, I went ahead and Gave them a little tighten up, little job. Maybe quit a little rattling. Adjusted the valves a little bit. Get it cleaned up after this. Well, got that side done. Looking good. Valves adjusted. Sounds good. Still got a little exhaust leak. But I can't do this side because I only had one pack. Where'd they go? Only had one pack of these. So, on hold until I get another pack of these. Get that junk out of there. That one side's looking good. Get this cleaned up. Getting there. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.